Hello students, in this video we are going to revise this poem Cookies for Santa once again. Have you read this poem at home? I hope you all have. Now in this poem we read that there is a boy who had prepared a dozen of cookies on the occasion of Christmas, and he is going to serve these cookies or leave these cookie plate where he had kept his wish list for Santa to read. But as he was about to leave the plate, he thought in his mind that why not to taste a cookie. So when he took a bite and gobbled the one piece of cookie, he found it so tasty, so delicious. As you know, cookies are everybody's favorite. So immediately he took another one, and then later again he wanted some more. Then in this way he keep on eating all the cookies one by one, and finally what he did, he had finished all the cookies and he ate all the cookies, and at last he thought that Santa should admire this, that he will get a empty plate because he is getting very overweight. So the poet of this poem was Ken Nesbitt. Okay, now we are going to read some reference to context questions. I have took these two stanzas for reference to context, but you can have the questions from any of the stanzas. So you have to go through this poem thoroughly. Okay, so let's read these stanzas once again. Before I knew what happened, all the damage had been done. What was the damage? The damage was the boy had eaten all the cookies on the plate. There was nothing left for the Santa, so that was the damage. And I realized I had accidentally eaten everyone. I guess it's his best. So he is consoling himself and thinking that it is best, since Santa sort of needs to watch his weight. As I told you, the boy said it is okay if I have empty the plate. It is best for Santa because he has to watch his weight. He is getting so overweight. Okay, when he visit us this Christmas, when Santa will arrive, I sure hope he likes the plate. So the boy says, I sure that Santa would like this empty plate because he is a very kind old man, and he would probably thank me for leaving the empty plate and not giving him cookies, because he is already very fat. Now here are the questions related to that stanza. Name the poem and the poet. That you can easily tell. Cookies for Santa is the name of the poem, and the poet is Ken Nesbitt. And what was the damage? Who did it? The damage was that all the cookies had been eaten by the poet. Next, why does Santa need to watch his weight? Because Santa need to watch his weight because he is overweight. In the end, what does Santa get for Christmas? Christmas के लिए Santa को क्या मिला? In the end, Santa only get the empty plate for Christmas. Only empty plate was left now. Next, write the rhyming words mentioned in the context. Now, what are the rhyming words? Rhyming words which sound similar. Like here we have done, everyone, wait, plate. These are the words which sound similar. Now, done, everyone, wait, plate. So you can find some more rhyming words from other stanzas as well, from other context, and you can easily answer the questions related to other context because you have understood this poem very well. If you have any query, then you can contact me. Thank you.